let's start with some policy basics. Now, academic probation just means that your cumulative GPA, that means all of your grades at UNC divided by all the classes you've taken, is below a 2.0, which is required for graduation. And so there's kind of just 4 big points of academic probation and the policy that you should know and remember. So first, it's that academic warning below a 2.0 GPA. This is different than your financial aid or SAP warning. Second, what's the goal? Well, we want you to raise your GPA above a 1.99, so you need to get to a 2.0 in the next 24 probation credits. For most students, that's about 2 semesters, but it is not based on the semesters. It's based on you taking and completing 24 credit hours. Now, how are you going to reach that goal? Where you're going to earn more quality points. And quality points are the actual numeric value of your letter grade. So an A is worth 4 points, where an F is worth 0 points. So in your next 24 credits, we want you to earn as many quality points as possible to help you reach your target GPA each semester and ultimately our end game of a 2.0.